by qualification. I hold a master's in business administration, a postgraduate diploma in pharmaceutical marketing, and neatly stitched with my education is about 31 years of work experience in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, both in India as well as the UAE, a career spanning across sales, product management, and corporate development. And there are many like me in the pharmaceutical industry who have such qualifications coupled with practice. Together, they navigated us on the what is and how to of product management. In short, the faculty covered the essentials and also highlighted the key takeaways, which I presume is the best approach for teaching a set of busy executives. Is this course relevant? Yes, it is definitely. Take for example the pharmaceutical industry, one of the largest employers of product managers. Now most of the product managers are from a pharma sales background, and most of them would have also done an MBA. However, from my experience, what I have seen is that product management requires a set of sharper skills in very particular areas. Such focused learning can only be gained from courses that are designed specifically for product management. So the live classes by the IIM Indore faculty, interspersed with the lecture notes from industry experts, gives the student a very solid dual perspective, the theory and practice of product management. The lessons were interactive, and all faculty members ensured that we spend adequate time to clarify doubts on the spot and prepare engaging workshops to train on specific subject matters. Now, unlike other industries, in pharmaceutical product management, the role of product manager is more focused on the final finished product and its marketing, not on the actual development of the product, which is taken care by the R&D scientists. So the real job for us begins when the product leaves the factory gates until it crosses the counter of the pharmacy in exchange for a prescription. According to me, the second and third trimester topics such as the go-to-market strategies, product launch and distribution, sales strategies, these are all very highly relevant, and it helped me to cross-link with my experience. I consider the BYOP the most simulating experience of understanding the complete life cycle of a product. As the imaginary product is constructed from our own thought process, it is easy to apply the product management principles and quickly grasp the concepts.